Hey everyone, let's dive into some important health news today. Recent research has linked ultra-processed foods, especially those containing common seed oils like canola, corn, and sunflower, to an increased risk of colon cancer. A study published in the journal by the University of South Florida Health and Tampa General Hospital Cancer Institute analyzed 162 tumor samples from colon cancer patients. They found high levels of inflammation-causing molecules and a shortage of healing molecules in those who consumed high amounts of these oils. Now let's break down what this means. Seed oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6s are essential, our Western diet often leads to an excessive intake, creating an imbalance with anti-inflammatory omega-3s. This imbalance may contribute to an inflammatory environment in the body, which could potentially lead to cancer development. So what can we do to mitigate this risk? Researchers are exploring resolution medicine, a promising approach that focuses on reversing inflammation. This involves a diet rich in unprocessed foods, omega-3 fatty acids and fish oil derivatives, along with regular exercise and balanced sleep. Clinical trials are already underway at Tampa General Hospital Cancer Institute to study this approach. But before we start eliminating all seed oils from our kitchens, dietitians caution that these oils do have their benefits, especially when replacing saturated fats. It's the overall composition of ultra-processed foods, high in sodium, fat and sugar, and low in fiber and nutrients. That's the bigger concern. Experts recommend a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil, avocado oil, and peanut oil for cooking. Remember, the key is balance and moderation. It's important to note that while the study shows a correlation between seed oil consumption and colon cancer, it doesn't prove causation. Other lifestyle factors could also play a significant role. In summary, staying informed and making small sustainable changes to our diet can have a big impact on our health. So next time you're at the grocery store, consider reaching for those omega-3 rich foods and fresh, unprocessed options. Your body will thank you. Thanks for tuning in and stay healthy.